finally got a ring light. This girl. Okay, so, that was it. But I finally got a ring light. Finally got a ring light, whatever. I'm hype or whatever. And I'm about to open it for y'all, whatever. So let me just, sit my phone down, situated, because I'm really excited. So you already know what it's hitting for. You already know. Hitting Danny scissors. Set y'all up in a good position. Because, it doesn't come with a tripod, y'all. How the hell am I supposed to use this thing then? Doesn't it? Wow, so it's only the light? Like, that makes no sense. That really just broke my heart. Hold up. Is there like another thing? No? How does it not come with a stand? That's so stupid. For all that money I paid, it should come with a stand. I feel like $80 is a lot of money. But you know what? I'm going to get me my stand. I'm going to take it right back. I'm going to return it. Wow, I was so excited for no reason.
Okay guys, so basically that was a fail, so I ended up making my own. These are the things you're going to need. You're going to need LED rope, some zip ties, and some aluminum foil. Now to get started, all you're going to do is wrap the aluminum foil around the garden wreath, and you're going to do this all the way around. The goal is to get everything covered as much as possible. Don't worry about it being neat. Just go ahead and just add that aluminum foil all around. And yeah. Alright, so now you're going to begin to add the light, and all you're going to do is you're going to begin to wrap around, as you can see that I'm doing. I feel like I'm not explaining this correctly, but basically it's like a lollipop. So you're just wrapping it all around as if it's a lollipop. And then once you get all of that wrapped around, you're going to add the zip ties. What I did was I added zip ties in between all three, but before I did that, I added in zip ties to the first row just to get that, down and secured first. And then once I got all of it around, I added the zip ties to all three of them instead of individually. And you're going to continue to do this. There's no exact amount of zip ties to you. You can use however amount that you feel you need. I didn't add a lot. That's just my personal preference. If you want to go ahead and add 20, you can add 20. But if you want to add 5, you can add 5. It's pretty much up to you because this is your DIY. So after that, you're just going to cut off all the loose ends of the zip ties. If you want to keep them, you can, but I feel like they might create a shadow, so I cut mine. And when I watched other people do their DIYs, they cut their zip ties also. Just be advised that don't cut them too low, because they can slip out if you cut them way too low. So try to do like at least maybe a half a centimeter. You can even like actually do that, but maybe like an inch away from the point of insertion. Yeah, we'll go with that.
This is amazing. Wow. Yo, this is amazing. Now I got some poppin' lighting.
Oh, wow. that's really cute.
Okay, so this is just a little overview of the whole entire video, because the video is old. So basically, right before you saw this, that was my mom asking me questions. That's why I cut the video short. But anyway, as you can see, my lips are still pretty dark. This lighting makes my lips actually look way more darker than what it actually is. That's the reason why I actually went ahead and bought an actual ring light, because this light is cool and all, but for long-term usage, I would just say to use this until you can save up for an actual ring light, because this ring light, it only gives you one setting, and depending on what type of light you're in, it's just gonna make me look more washed out. My lips look OD dark for no reason, especially this little corner right here, because it's not like that. I'm right next to my mirror, so yeah, I don't know why it makes me look like this on camera, because in my mirror I don't look like that. But anywho, yeah, so my lips are still dark, so the tinting only lasted about 2 to 3 days, and then it was pretty much done. So that specific method to like get your lips pink or pinker, you're probably gonna have to do it a lot. Other than that, overall, I spent about $20 on this little DIY project. The wreath you can get from anywhere, but I will be adding all the links to everything below. I got pretty much everything from Walmart. The wreath was about $8 to $10 depending on where you go and what size you get. Zip ties, I just got a bag of zip ties. They were about $2 to $3, and the light itself was about, I believe, between 6 and 9. I got the 16-inch and I got the daylight LED rope. You're gonna find it in the gardening section, because this rope is mainly used to light pathways up and whatnot. So you're gonna want to get the daylight daylight 16-inch rope light, because if you get a different light, it's going to be a different color. I think the nighttime one is orange, and they have a purple one, and I think a blue one or something like that. But yeah, the point is to look for daylight, because that's the one that's going to give you the white light rather than an orange light. So that's pretty much it. I'm going to add everything down below. Please like, comment, and share, and I hope that you enjoy this video, because my channel is about bargaining and budgeting as a baddie, because you don't want to be broke.